Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can transfer funds from Binance to Stake. To get started, ensure that both your Binance and Stake accounts are fully verified, requiring either a verified ID or passport. Begin by accessing the Wallet section and navigating to the Fiat and Spot tab. From there, proceed to the Wallet's Withdrawal section. Now click on Withdraw Crypto. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, such as Bitcoin. Then, select the destination address. Obtain this address from your Stake account. Click on your account, then choose the wallet option. Clicking on this button will provide you with a Bitcoin address. This address is where you'll send your funds from Binance to your Stake account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.